What if there is a way for you to earn as much as $90 per hour and will make you an instant dollar earner in a free, simple, and easy way? Again, $90 is at stake. And take note, you can make this money online just by watching videos. Yes, you absolutely heard it right. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what this website is, how it works, and the steps on how you can make money out of it. So better be prepared and watch this entire video because this is one of the ways for you to make fast and easy money online in this year 2022. This method is available worldwide and it's always free, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. It's all free. But before anything else, I would like to welcome you all to the Online Money Girl channel. I'm your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the latest tips and trends on how to make fast PayPal money online, regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, please tap the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll always be in the loop for the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments because I appreciate those. Are you ready to earn and make your first easy money through watching videos? Let's not waste our time. Here we go. The steps are just so easy. Just watch a video for 60 seconds and cash out your earnings. I know this sounds unrealistic, but let me tell you that this is real. So you have to make sure to pay attention to all the step-by-step details that I'm going to demonstrate for you to never miss any point being a beginner in earning money online. And in case you missed it earlier, this is completely free and available worldwide. So the first step is to go to zoombucks.com. That's ZOOMBUCKS.com. As you can see on their homepage, there are 3 ways how you can make money. These are completing surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. But in today's video, we will just focus on how you can earn easy money just by watching videos because it is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. Something you already know how to do, and I'm sure that you have been doing this all the time. Now, the second step is to create your free account. To do this, you can use 2 methods. The first is to enter your email address, create a password, and click sign up. The green button right here on your left. The second option, which is easier, is to sign up using your Google account or Facebook account. When signing up, you have to provide some personal information like your complete name, birthday, and gender. Once you've filled out all of the information needed, click Complete Sign Up, and this will lead you to this page. As you scroll down the page, you can see different ways for you to earn money. The first is to answer surveys and earn. You can also see offer walls and do special offers and earn. You might be wondering, wait, I thought this site would pay me $90 just by watching videos. Where's that option? That is why you have to make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss your big chance to make money online. With that being said, the third step is to click this Watch tab at the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to the next page where you can see boxes that says Hideout TV and Lootably. As you hover your cursor to these 2 boxes, you can see their offer details. I want you to click on the Lootably box, and it will take you to this page. Once you are on this page, you can see video categories to watch, like food, DIY, or random videos. And on the right side, you can actually see how many points you can earn. Again, you can choose among these 3 categories what interests you. The fourth step is to click on any of these categories. So for example, let's try the food category. This will automatically deliver you to the sign up for the Lootably account. You can just simply click sign up, enter your email address, create your password, and tick this terms of agreement, and finally click sign up. Once you successfully sign up for your free Lootably account, it will lead to this YouTube-like page where you can see different videos about food, especially about baking. This site will allow you to watch these videos, and as you scroll down, you'll have more of it. The fifth step is to click any of these videos, which will take you to another page where you have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. Since you're still watching, here's a bonus tip for you to actually maximize your earnings. This website allows you to watch many videos in multiple tabs. That way, you can multiply your earnings as well. Sounds great, right? But since we give you the best content on how you can make fast and easy money online, especially for beginners, I will give you another bonus tip. But before I do that, make sure to like this video, smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and watch till the end. So, here's the other bonus tip. As you watch these videos in multiple tabs, you can also lower the video quality. You can simply do this by clicking the video setting at the left bottom of the video and select the lowest quality. This way, it will not eat up on your data consumption that much. I'm sure that these bonus tips will help you maximize your income with no effort at all. Just wait for your earnings to grow and cash out whenever you want. Again, this website is called zoombox.com, where you can make money watching videos, and it's a great way for beginners to make money online in 2022. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.